Hi everyone. If you were in class today for the live class for this month's Trace This theme, I was so disappointed. I wanted to demonstrate for all of you one of my newest favorite things about the V3 update. And of course, my feed for screen sharing wasn't working. Technology was not cooperating with us today in class. So I did want to make a quick screen flow tonight to show everyone exactly what I was doing. I tried to do a quick a cheat way to get everybody to see it in class, but certainly the quality wasn't what we're used to and what I like to put out for all of you. So I thought I would do the same thing real quick tonight so all of you can get a better idea. My favorite new feature so far, I'm still playing inside of V3. My favorite new feature so far in V3 is how you can adjust your cut line colors as you're creating your project, and then so easily adjust your cut settings accordingly when you're ready to run things through your machine. And it comes in handy, especially in the case of our bunny, lesson 3 this month, because we actually wanted to send at least one of our mats through a few times. We wanted to first sketch in black and then sketch in white and then actually cut. So I want to real quick show you how easy it is if you, along the way, keep that in mind and keep in mind the whole new cut by cut line feature, that it makes this really, really easy. So you can see here, I've got the 3 pieces of the bunny that had any sort of sketching involved. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see better. And if you remember, we wanted the eyes and the eyebrows in black, the mouth in black, and a little highlight here on the nose in white. And we can kind of get them close to that here. I'm just going to go up to line color. I'm going to click and drag to select the eyes and the eyebrows, and I will come over here to the right and make them black. And I will select the mouth and make that black. And now I can't make the highlight white because then we won't be able to see it. But I'm just going to make it any color besides the 2 that we've used so far. So far we have black for sketch pen, red for cut lines. Let's just make it green for the white sketch pen. Okay, so now we're going to go over here to our cut settings. And we're going to go to advanced. And we have this cut by line color. And you can see that my line color, it automatically picks up the colors that I have already used in the design. But it defaults to always cutting cardstock. So real quick, let's just change that. So the black was a black sketch pen. So let's click on that and then go down here and select sketch pen. There it is. And we'll click on the green, and we want to make that sketch pen too. So we're doing all of this now after we already have the piece traced, and really, you know, we're in the last few stages of getting this ready to cut. I would probably just set this up at the beginning, come through and create as many colors as I knew I was going to use for sketch pens and have this ready to go. So now what makes this really simple is when we're ready to the first thing we did, we put all of the paper on our mat and we only sent it through with the black sketch pen in our blade housing, and we just wanted to cut the eyebrows, the eyes, and the mouth. So look how simple it is to now come over here and only have the black selected for the eyebrows, eyes, and mouth. Uncheck the others. And look how easily it automatically detects that it's not going to cut anything else. And since we programmed it already to be a sketch pen, it's ready. It's already set to go through your machine. If you click on it, you can see it already picks up that you should have a sketch pen in your blade housing. And then you could come through. Let's say, suppose we sent this to the silhouette. The mat went through and sketched those 2 black pieces. And now we want to switch out the black pen, put in the white. So simply, we just literally uncheck the black pen and check the color that represents the white. Switch the pen that's in our housing. It's ready to go through. So simple. And then after we would have everything sketched, we would uncheck both of the colors that represent sketch pens and actually just select the one that represents our cut lines, and that simply, it's ready to go through. Just take out your white sketch pen, put in your actual blade, and it's ready. So again, I apologize that I didn't get to show you how nicely this feature works in class because my tech wasn't really cooperating, but you can see this is a really fun and easy way to quickly swap out your cut settings, and it'll take a lot less time to adjust things in between each time you want to send your mat through your machine.